Your garbage disposer plays an important role in your kitchen cleaning routine, but do you take care of it the way you should? You can't always see food waste and grunge inside your disposer, but they are there. And if you're not careful, you'll be dealing with a serious stench in your sink. But that may be only the beginning of your problem. A dirty disposer is prone to clogs and blockages, and before you know it, you could find yourself in the midst of a plumbing nightmare. Glisten Disposer Care Foaming Cleanser is the solution you've been looking for. Disposer Care comes in convenient, pre-measured, biodegradable packets that make cleaning safe and easy. Simply drop the packet into your disposer, and Disposer Care's powerful blue foam strips away food particles, grease, and odor-causing grime. Glisten Disposer Care's proprietary secret blend easily disinfects your disposer's sidewalls, blades, and splash guard, while surfactants cut through grease, fats, and other garbage disposer buildup. The blue foam even works its way into your pipes, eliminating offensive grease and grime. Incinerator, the world's leading manufacturer of garbage disposer units, suggests that homeowners clean their disposers monthly. Don't overlook this important cleaning procedure. Let Glisten Disposer Care eliminate the grunge and odor, while you enjoy the fresh lemon scent that Disposer Care leaves behind. Trust Glisten, the machine cleaning experts.